Okay, next job is development, and the development is just simply this here unravelled as if you were making it out of card or making it out of sheet metal or something. And development is to be done here. In order to do the development, what we do is we get a compass and we measure the distance between 1 and 2. Now it's the same distance between 1 and 2 as it is from 2 to 3, 1 to 12 and so on. But I just always do 1 and 2. So we're going to divide up this development line into 12 spaces. Now I know that this is going to have to be extended, so I'm just going to do that before I start. Okay, so I'm going to check this is spot on as I can make it, because this is really important. And I'm going to start dividing this up. So I'm going to go 1. I've just knocked that off, which is a bit stupid, but I'll do that again. It's easy done though. Just check, and if you know you've done that, then it's always a good idea just to go back and check. So we've gone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Unfortunately that's going outside the border, but that's just what happens. Okay, I'm going to start at 3 because that's the lowest point, and often when you do these types of drawings it will tell you that you're going to start at the lowest point. So let's just do that. So we'll go 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then imagine it's going around the clock. So started at 3, going all the way around, hit 12, so we're going to go 1, 2, and then back to 3, because these 2 3s would come together and join up. Okay, next thing to do is just to extend some construction lines up from each of these. These should just be nice light lines. Just extend these up for each of them. Make sure you get a sharp pencil when you're doing this. Don't be using a blunt pencil. Keep going. Okay. And the next part is actually very straightforward. What we're going to do is we're going to project across from our elevation, and where the numbers match up we're going to put a dot. So here's 3. I'm going to extend that right the way across because we've got 2 3s. So there's 3 there, there's 3 over there. From 4, I've only got 1 4, so don't need to extend it too far actually. I have got 2, because that's 4 and 2, so I've extended it to there, which is 2. And I've got 5 and 1, extend it, 5, and I've got 1, and then I've got 6 and 12, so there's 6 and there's 12. You can see the shape that this is turning out to be. This time 7 and 11. Second last one, 8 and 10, 8, 10, and then finally we've got 9 here. And there's 9 there. Okay, now smooth curve time, and we just draw a smooth curve between each of these points. Try and be as neat as you can with your smooth curve. Going downhill is always harder, so it can be easier to go uphill that was not too brilliant there at the end, but trying to do it quickly. Right, at the end here needs to be dark, and this part here needs to be dark, and really the base needs to be dark as well. And ideally you would darken this in a bit more as well, just to get it neat. Now if this had been a hexagonal prism or something like that, these would be fold lines, but these aren't fold lines because this is going to not fold at these points, this is just going to go smoothly round at all these points. And that's your development done, and that's E1 finished. Job done.